What's up, everybody? It's a 400 EX wiring harness from front to back, and that's my other kill switch that was on the old 400 EX my homeboy had. Alright, so from front to back, it's the new kill switch. This goes to the key switch, go to the key. These two go to the CDI box right there. These two go to I think this go to the ignition switch too. I ain't for sure, but I know where it go to. We had to cut some wires and splice them for it to fit on this new wiring harness from the kill switch, cause the connectors, this connector didn't line up with that one. It just lined up in that one, so I had to do some switching. This go to ignition core, going from front to back. These lights, it's going to your rectifier. This another set of lights, the brown and green. This going to your ignition core. This going to the fuse for the battery. This is I believe the reverse light. I think this green wire right here got a connector on it. It's green though. It's going to the ignition core. This black and red, it is going to the another part of the stator, I think. And this a stator plug-in. That's going from front and the back. I had to take the wires off because I wasn't getting it to turn over, because this apparently wasn't the right kill switch for it, and it's supposed to be new because 400X's don't have no horn. Now I'm thinking this the push start. Hopefully that's what it is, the push start, but I'm guessing. Yeah. But on this one, it's the old one, and got the on and off on there, and they got the push start. Then you got your brake lever switch connectors. But yeah, it just didn't plug into here. So once I got all this connected, if it don't work, I might have to put me a push start on there or use this one. Thanks for watching, and if you got any advice on how to connect or what wires I'm missing, because I got a set of wires that I don't have connected, like these three. They don't have no use. They go into the lights, and this is the reverse light, I think. It's connecting to the ground. Yeah, there it is. Thanks for watching.